Hello dear students, this is the 16th lecture for class 12 physics. In this lecture we will solve numerical based on first chapter concept, that is electrostatics. Electrostatics, we have studied so many concepts that is based on charge and rest condition, and we are just going to solve the numerical whenever the charge is rest condition, and during rest condition how much force applied on another test charge or another finite charge value, and whenever the charge configuration given, then how the intensity calculation or dipole moment calculation given in your numericals. You have to sort out and try to understand. If there is any confusion, then you can consult with me, but we are just going to solve two numericals that is based on your previous concept that you learned in your 15 previous lectures. So first numerical, that is here 4-point charges. Let's see, 4-point charges. QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb. No sign given means what? That is positive sign, always remember. And QB minus 5 microcoulomb, QC 2 microcoulomb, QD minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corners of a square ABCD. So first of all, solution of this numerical. First we have to make what? Square ABCD. This is square A, B, C and D. At point A, that is QA, is equal to 2 microcoulomb, and at point B minus 5 microcoulomb, at point C 2 microcoulomb, at point D minus 5 microcoulomb. Then what is the net force? Just before the calculation of net force, here another important information about the side of square, that is what? 10 centimeter given. 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. And what is the net force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? And the center of the square means what? Whenever we draw the diagonals of the square, then the intersection point of diagonals representing what? The center of square. Now let's draw diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at point. Suppose this one is O, and at this point 1 microcoulomb charge is placed. In this numerical, mathematical portion is very less, but you have to solve out some mathematical concept, just like the distance calculation of this charge from point A or from point B or from point C or from point D, because we are knowing that the diagonals of squares are equal, and whenever they intersect each other, then they bisect each other. It means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. All lengths are equal, so we have to calculate what? Only one length. And we are also knowing that squares, all angles are 90 degree. So in triangle BAD, in triangle BAD, BD is equal to square root of 10 ka square plus 10 ka square is equal to 100 plus 100 is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. So half of BD, that is DO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to AO, all are equal, so equal to 10 root 2 upon 2, that is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. Very simple, because here 2 means what? 2 5 10, so 5 root 2 centimeter. Then after this we have to use the concept of force resolution. Here force resolution, whenever angle is given, then we can use force resolution, but there no angle concept is given. Directly the force of 2 microcoulomb on 1 microcoulomb charge, that is what? Here F C YFC direction in this way, because this one positive and this one also positive, so repulsive force same as FA in this direction. So FA, and due to minus 5 microcoulomb charge lies at point B, here minus here plus, so attracting towards itself. So this one is FB, and same as along this direction, that is FD. So all the forces direction are clear. Whatever their magnitudes in the terms of charge, no matter, but the concept of direction that gives the resultant. Due to this 2 microcoulomb charge, the force here along A to O, and due to this 2 microcoulomb force here along C to O in this way. But here 2 and here 2 also both are equal, and at this point O the charge is 1 microcoulomb. So whenever we take the product 2 into 1, 2 and 2 into 1 here, 2, distance also same, so force will be equal but opposite in direction, so they cancel each out. Now due to 2 microcoulomb charges lie at A and C, forces are equal and opposite in direction. Forces, that is FA and FC, are equal and opposite in directions. So they cancel each out. Similarly, due to minus 5 coulomb charges lies at point B and D, both are acting in opposite direction. Due to this minus 5 coulomb microcoulomb charge, force here towards OB, and here due to this minus 5 microcoulomb charge, force here along OD. Both are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, so they cancel each out. Similarly, due to minus 5 microcoulomb charges lies at B and D, forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So they cancel each out. Very simple concept. It means due to minus 5 microcoulomb charge lies at point B and D, also the forces are cancel each out, and due to this 2 microcoulomb charge and this 2 microcoulomb charge, forces cancel each out. It means net force on 1 microcoulomb charge is equal to what? 0. Because all the forces cancel each out. Pair of forces here, FB, FD cancel out and FA, FC cancel out. So net force on this 1 microcoulomb charge is 0. Then after solving this one first, we will solve next one second. So very simple case. Solution of second also. And in second case, the concept of position of points in 3 dimensions, that is given here. 2 charges. Suppose just try to understand about the condition of location, how the charge is located. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this one is z and z dash, z axis. Now see what is given. 2 charges QA 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb, and QA means lies at point A, and here for A is minus 15 concept given at point A, and at point B plus 15 is given. So let's see QA, here this one 0 minus 15, the charge here QA, and here the charge QB. QA value given here 2.5 into 10 power minus 7, and QB value also given 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 with negative sign. And the distance between both, we have to calculate the sum of this 15 and 15, that is equal to what? 30 centimeter. This one 15, location of this point, that is 0 and plus 15. So 15 minus 15, that is what? When we just calculate the distance, suppose this one point B, this one point A. So AB, solution of this one, problem number 2. AB is equal to what? 15 minus of minus 15 is equal to 15 plus 15, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? In this case, we have to calculate what? Number first, the total charge and the electric dipole moment. Total charge, that is Q is equal to what? QA plus QB. In case of dipole, always the total charge value is what? 0, because same amount of positive and same amount of negative charges are given here. So QM is 2.5 to 10 power minus 7 coulomb, and a minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb gives what? 0 coulomb. This is the 0 coulomb answer first. And second, what are the charge and dipole moment? Dipole moment Q means what? Q value here clear. Dipole moment, that is P equal to either one charge, either magnitude of QA or magnitude of QB, into 2A. 2A means here the concept of distance AB. Q means 2.5 to 10 power minus 7 coulomb into 2A means what? That is equal to Q into 2A means AB. AB value they given what? 30 centimeter. So 30 into centimeter means changing into meter, 10 power minus 2. Then this one becomes, this 0 will be cancelled out by this point. So 25 plus 25 into 10 power minus 9 are 7.5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb meter. This is the value of dipole moment, and the direction here from negative charge to positive charge. So the solution of this one very easy. Whenever the diagram concept is clear, then you can solve out any numericals within simple way. If any confusion anywhere, then you can ask, but remaining problem just try to solve. If there is any confusion, then you can ask. Thank you so much.